Okay, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes. What I will be presenting this afternoon will be how to eliminate the mineral deposits on the shower heads. A while ago, I took a bath and I noticed it that the spray on the nozzle, it seems it's clogged, and you cannot just brush it just to remove it because mineral deposits actually hardens if you have not been cleaning this one for a long time. So what I did, guys, is that I made a container, man-made container. It's the plastic container of the peanuts a while ago. I cut some portions. Then I made it a point that I got a tie here and so on the other side. So just in case I will hang this one, okay, I could tie it on this portion here. So what I did, guys, is that I made a mixture of white vinegar and baking soda. And the white vinegar and baking soda is the one inside now. So the shower head is fully, what I call this, submerged. So I will let this one submerged for a whole night. So in the morning when my wife try to take a bath, I will be removing that container with a mixture of vinegar and baking soda, and hopefully it had loosened the mineral deposits that was accumulated inside. Okay, that's the way how I will clean this one. It should be the so-called, it's not a scientific way, but it should be the correct one. Oh, we are using chemistry over here because sometimes if you don't try to use your knowledge of science, it's hard to do some things. And in here, I think we need to have a mixture of baking soda and white vinegar to loosen that, what do you call this, mineral deposits that had accumulated over here. The holes here, it seems it's clogged. A while ago, I got some a little ice pick and I tried to poke it. I was able to remove some, but it's not totally, the the flowing out of the water coming from the holes is not so good. So I hope by just doing this one here, okay, I could loosen the mineral deposit, okay. So I will be soaking this one for the whole night. The time now is around 5 o'clock here in Los Angeles. Come 5 a.m. in the morning tomorrow. That's almost a 12-hour time already. And I hope that the mineral deposit have loosened. So when we try to open the water, it will just, what you call this, throw out the loosened mineral deposits. Okay, that's it, guys. That's how I clean our shower head by using a mixture of soda, baking soda, and white vinegar. Okay? Good afternoon from Los Angeles. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes.